In this video, I'll show you how to pay for Peacock using Apple ID Balance. I will also show a picture of my dog and a funny story. Step 1. Check your Apple ID balance. Go to your Apple ID account settings and check if you have enough balance from gift cards or funds. Step 2. Get the Peacock app. On your Apple device, open the App Store and download the Peacock app. Step 3. Subscribe using Apple ID Balance. Open Peacock, choose a subscription plan, and when asked for payment, your Apple ID balance will be used first automatically. Step 4. Manage your subscription. You can manage or cancel your Peacock subscription in your Apple ID subscription settings anytime. Now I have a little funny story. Once upon a time, someone tried to pay for Peacock with their Apple ID balance, but they forgot they used the balance to buy a lifetime supply of virtual coffee in another app. Moral of the story, always check your Apple ID balance before streaming your favorite shows. Ha ha ha. And that is it for this video. Here's a nice picture of my dog. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.